Look, bro, they lied to you, man. Hard work is not the way to be successful. Like, think about it. How many people do you know right now work hard? I'm talking about to exhaustion, to where they're working 40, 80, 100 hours a week, but they still live paycheck to paycheck, or they still struggle with really living the life that they want. See, the harsh reality is that it is not about hard work. It is about hard work with skill. It's about hard work with direction. It's about hard work with leveraging your time, money, and your effort. And if you're working hard right now, I need for you to listen to the end of this video to really understand what I'm trying to tell you. So as I said, let me back up here. You know those people. They work hard every single day. They probably work at McDonald's. They probably work in a factory. They probably work a retail job. They probably work sales. But those people are not really truly living the life that they want. And it's all due to the fact that they don't have a clear mindset. They're not leveraging the certain tools or automations that they should. But really what it comes down to is that they're not following a game plan. And I'm gonna give you the game plan to not work hard and still achieve every single thing that you want. Listen, I work less than 40 hours a week. I make over 6 figures, and I honestly do the things that I want to do. Am I where I want to be in my life? No. But guess what? I'm still following the game plan to be a successful member and citizen of the great United States. And one day, as I continue to follow this game plan, I will be exactly who I want to be. And what is that? That is a multi-millionaire living the life that I want to live. If that is you, I continue and urge you to listen. So, why does working hard not really make sense? It really just comes down to is that hard work without direction is wasted time. You are wasting your time and opportunity to fully live the life that you want to live. Until you understand and grasp that you are wasting time without having a direction, you're just following the footsteps, thinking that you're getting by every single day. You know, I used to post every single day on the things that I thought actually mattered. Didn't really get a lot of actual posts, but then I started to follow a game plan. I started to understand, what do the people really want to see? So I started asking myself this question: what do they want to see? What do they want to hear? And as I started to listen and put together a game plan, that's when I started to see more of my views go up. That's when I started to see more people like the videos that I want. Because why? The game plan. So stop wasting your time by working hard and start to work harder with the game plan. You will start to see your time and effort is going to be valued. Now, it's not just about effort. You have to have a strategy in place. You have to know exactly what your people want. You have to understand the game plan. Life is a game. Think about like The Sims. If you've ever played The Sims before, The Sims is about a life and a character that you're creating. But that life and character starts to come on to more of what it is. You have to build around that player. You have to build and do the things that makes this player in this game worthwhile. You have to have a strategy to make this person the best possible player that you can be. And that's how you should start to live your life, with the game plan. So let me talk about what the actual keys to being successful in this life is all about. And it comes down to 3 main things when it comes to working hard with a strategy. Number 1 is leveraging your money, leveraging your network, leveraging your actual skills, but more importantly, leveraging your time. You have to understand that when you leverage certain things where you're actually getting ahead, that's how you become successful. That's how you become and do the things that you want to do. Number 2 is that you have to understand that having a high income skill is important. Negotiating, communicating, reading, sales. This is very important when you want to become who you want to be. Again, hard work plus leverage and high skills. And then the last thing, which is leveraging systems. Understand that AI is taking over the world, but then also delegating your time to other people who have the expertise to build, to do, and to also get coached is very, very important. So if you want to stop wasting time and stop running your wheels on the things that are not making sense, focus on these 3 things: leveraging your time, focusing on earning high income skills, and then also figuring out what systems will help you to delegate your tasks. Now, there's always a formula to everything. There's always a game plan that you should always focus on. The first part of that game plan should always be around your mindset and focusing on shifting your mindset from a person who's not able to get things done to a person who is now able and have the thought pattern to do and get anything finished. If you're someone who is very limited in your mindset, it's time to change right now. And I have plenty of other videos that you can go back and watch and focus on that, okay? Now, understand that money moves, and then understand that money moves, you can earn it any type of way. Money moves are the most important thing that you should focus on. So meaningless tasks where you're working hard, where you can delegate, that's finished today. Focus on the things that make money move. Money making movements is what is the next important thing. If it's just going through emails, that can wait. If it's focusing on shooting content or marketing, that is very important because that is a money move. Money moves are what is the most important thing that you should be focusing on. If it doesn't make money, it does not make sense. If it's not a money move, do not do it and delegate it, okay? So another thing that I want you to focus on is connections. It is very important to know that your network is your net worth. If you want to stop working hard, leverage your network. Your network should be the thing that really pushes you and urges you to become better. So again, I'm telling you all of this because you are someone who might be working hard and you think that hard work is what is most important when it is not. The most important thing is to make sure that you are working smarter and you have a game plan towards becoming who you want to be. Hard work is great, but hard work is even better when you have systems aligned towards reaching your overall goal. If you like this video, make sure that you comment something about hard work that you've been focusing on and trying to leverage other systems to become better than. And I read every single comment and I'll let you know if you're improving or you're going the wrong way. Then, if you also want additional coaching, make sure that you click the links down in the description. I'm always here to help you in your goals and on your alignment to becoming the person that you want to be. So again, if you take nothing from this video, know that hard work alone will not get you to where you want to be. It's all about working in alignment with systems, leveraging your time, and ensuring that you are leveraging your connections and working with other automations to help you become a lot better and become 1% better every single day. I'll see y'all in the next video. I appreciate y'all watching this far. I love y'all. Take care.